Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present this one-bedroom town centre flat in Bridgwater. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free.
So there we are guys, that was the one-bedroom town centre flat in Bridgwater. If you are interested in the property and would like to arrange a viewing or make an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.
I'm counting 17